So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to check the results of these programs in the Keil software. So just I will open the Keil. So here already I said here some of the work already I done. I want to close this one. So just click on the project, close the project. Okay. So I want to create new one project. Next new project. So next here in the desktop you can create the any one of folder here. So in folder I given the new folder, some name here, new folder 2. Inside I will give the some name, that is the hi. Then save it. Then here I need to select the Atmal. So in that 80, 89, 51, ED2. So this is my controller. Okay. So when you are going to select the ED2, it will support the 6 port. Basically we are going to study about 4 IO ports are there. So port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. So you can check this here also 18, 80, 89, 51. Here 32 IO lines are there. 32 by 8 means 4 ports are available. But when you are going to select the ED2, there are 6 ports are there. So this is advanced. So click on the OK. So next, yes. So next I need editor to type my program. So click on the new file. So here I need to type the program. So just I will copy this program. So first we will do the hexa up counter. So just I copied. I will paste the program here. So here you can see once all the letters are in the black letters only. Black in the sense still I did not save the file. So here I need to save the file. How to save here? File. Next save as. So again automatically it will come inside your folder only. So I will keep the same name here. You can give any name. So here I will give .asm. Then save the file. So now it turned out to the color. So that means now you saved the file. This way we can clarify once. So again I need to add this file. So for that source group, right click, add file. Then make it this ASM. This is text2. So same file it is going to appear below the source group. So again I need to change the frequency. Target, right click, options for target. Here 11.0592 megahertz. So click on OK. So next I need to check the errors. So for that just you have to click these 3 options. So again errors are 0. If it is anything is warning, you can exclude it. Oh, no problem. So after completion of this one, again I need to go for the to check the results. For that click on the debug. If you want, you go for the line by line execution also. Okay. So better I will click on the once run here. Click on the run. So one more thing, before going to run here, first you need to check how to check the results here. Every time whatever the content of accumulator, you are going to save in the P1 port 1. So that means I need to check the port 1. That will be the output of this program. So that means port 1 it will give the counting like 00, 01, 02 up to the double F. So how to open the port 1 here? So for that go for the peripheral. So the peripheral means if you want to connect the external devices or something, at the time we are going for the peripheral. So this is peripheral. In that IO port, input output port. So already I explained before selecting the device. If you are going to select the 8089C51, it will support 4 ports. But when you are going to select the ED2 version, at the time it is going to support the 6 ports. So that means ED2 is the advanced compared to the basic 8089C51 microcontroller. So here which port I need to select? Port. In my program I am going to write with respect to the P1. So for that I need to select the port 1. So this is your port 1. So here you need to understand, here 0x in the sense these are the hexadecimal values. So here they written the bitwise they written. So bitwise in the sense already you know that all the ports are 8-pin ports. So first pin position the 0, next first, second, so on up to the 7. So that means here it's showing the double F. Why it is showing the double F? All are the check mark. All are the check mark in the sense that is a logically 1. So here 8 pins are available. That means 8 ones is nothing but that equivalent number is double F. Is it clear? So that means you need to understand whatever this bit pattern will be there, that equivalent hexadecimal it is going to appear in this position. So first you select this one, next you have to run the program. So that means it will give the counting from 00 to the FF. Only this way you need to check the results. Clear? So here you can check it once. Here the bit position 0 to 7. So all the bits they are going to change the pattern. So that whichever the pattern is going to appear, that equivalent hexa is going to appear in this port. Only this way you need to verify the program. So what is the count here? So this will be the 00 to the FF. So here it is very fast. We can't see the results here. If you want to check, we can go for here the increase the delay. Little bit we can see the slowly the counting also. And one more thing. So this is the result of the first program. That is the hexa up counter. So similarly we can go for the hexa down. So how to check? Let me to check. So here if you want to come out from the debug here, first you have to stop this port 1. How to stop? Here you can see this is stop symbol. Just to click on this one. Then it is going to stop this counting. Then if you want to come out, just click the debug. Then it will come out from the debug. So after completion of this one, we will see the second one. So second one in the sense that is the hexa down counter. So just I will copy this program. So just I will copy this program and I will paste to the Keil. So here I am not going to create again the new project here. Okay, you should know about how to use the Keil. Okay, so just I copied the second program. Again save the file. So again you have to check the errors here. So once you check the errors here, you will get the 0. But if anything is a warning, you just exclude it. Don't worry about the warnings. So again, what is the next step? Go for the debug. So again, here also I am using the P1 port. So again, how to check here? Again, you have to go for peripheral IO port. Select the port 1. Clear? So again, you have to run it once. So you can check, observe it once. These all the numbers are coming in the down operation. Down means decrement operation. So initially it will show the FF. Then it will come series D. Next, where the numbers will appear. So something like 30, 22, 11. Then finally it will reaches to 0. So that means what is happening here? If you observe these counts, it is performing the decrement operation. So decrement means what you can say, that is the down counter. Is it clear? So that means here this is also this way only you have to check the results. Clear? So here one more thing what will happen. So I will show you one more. So here I want to stop means just click the exit. So again come out here. So if you want to check if you want to change the port here, you can go for the P2 just to make the P2 here. So again here this also you just make the P2. Clear? So next save the file. Once you made the changes, you have to save and compile it once. Then debug. You have to check here. Here I selected P2. Is it clear? So again I will keep the P1 also here. So I will open the P2 port. Okay. So once you open the P2 port, I will run the program. So just to make the comparison, P1 is not getting anything the changes. Why it is not getting anything the changes? I did not declare P1 in my program. I declared P2 in my program. That means P2 port it is going to show the results. So that means which port you want to make it use, you can declare the ports in your program. That is left to you. In my program, I am taking only the P1. This way you can make the modifications. So this is the second program. Similarly, we can check the other program, that is the BCD program. So that one we'll see here. So just I will pause. So third one is the BCD up counter. Just I will copy this program and I will paste in the Keil here. So this is my old program. I will erase this one. So this is my BCD up counter. So in that up counter here I will save the file. So next one, go for the debug. So here also I am using the port 1 only. So that means again I need to open the peripheral IO port 1. Clear? So next one, first you have to select this. Next you have to run this one. Otherwise, if you click the run, then you open this one also, it will show the same result, nothing. But procedure you have to make it one standard way. So first open the port, then go for the run. So again, click the run here. So again it will show, you can observe the numbers here. Starting from it is the, so here 00 to the 99. So again just to compare these results with the hexa counter. In previous it will show the combination of A, B, C, D, E, F. But in BCD it is not showing the A, B, C, D, F anything the combination. Because of binary coded decimal, in the sense it is only the combination of 0 to 9 in between the ranges only. Not the combination of A to F. If it is the A to F, then how to make the conversion to the combination of 0 to 9? With the help of the DA instruction. That is the decimal adjustment after the addition. By using this instruction, it helps to convert, if it is A to F character, it is converted to the again 0 to 9 combination. Clear? So that means it is also the 00 to the 99. So this is your BCD up counter. So similarly, if last one will see the BCD down counter means, again I will stop this one. So again come out from the debug. So here what is the last program? BCD down counter. Say same, I will copy the program. So here this program. So just make a copy. Then I will paste in the key. So here I pasted. Then save the file. Then check the errors. Then you can observe the one more thing here. So here 0A is there. Already I said when you are writing the A, B, C, D, F at the time, I need to add the zeros. So just if I remove the 0, what will happen? You can check it once. So just save the file. If you click the errors here, so it will show the one error. So one error means I don't know, I will keep the cursor somewhere. If I make the double click of this error line, it will come to the particular line number 12. So here also assembly 12 line number. So same thing 12. What is the error here? I removed the 0 here. So that means compulsory we have to add the zeros when the MSB bit is having the combination of A to F characters. So here after changes, again I click the errors. Now it is 0. Now it is everything is fine. Then how to check the error results here? Go for the debug. So here again here which port I am using here? Same thing, P1. So go for peripheral IO port, open the port P1. So again you have to run it. So again you can observe it is performing, showing the numbers in the decrement of decrement, in the sense 99, 98, 97 up to the 00. So what you can call, this is your BCD the down counter. Clear? So this way you need to verify the results. So in this program, how to check the results, everything is similar as compared to your previous program. But here we are storing the results in the ports, that is the P1, P2, P3 and P4. So how to open the ports? So that means you need to go for peripheral. So whichever the ports you want, you go, so just to make the selection as per your the requirement. Then you can see the results. Is it clear? Once you open the port here, then you run it once. Then only it will show the results. If you are not going to run, it is not going to show the anything the result. Clear? Okay. Thank you.